welcome to Ella Skincare. I want to give you the best DIY in skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If it's the first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you are doing? Hope you all are doing good, and I hope you are doing great. So lovely, as you've seen the title, we're going to talk about Skin Doctor tonight. But before we go into the video, please, I want you to take a second to do something for me. Please hit the red button to subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free, you don't need to pay for subscription, okay? Subscribe to this channel for more skincare tips, DIYs, and natural remedy, and they're going to be helpful to you. And even if you don't like those kind of stuff, it's going to be helpful to your neighbor or to anybody, to your friends, family. You never can tell, oh, this video or any video that I upload there will be helpful to see. So please subscribe to this channel and hit the subscription bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and share this video to your family, friends, and everyone. Like I said earlier, you never can tell what this video might be of help. So lovely, today, as you've seen in the title, I'm going to talk about Skin Doctor Toner. I'm going to talk about Skin Doctor Toner. I'm going to talk about how to use it, and I'm going to talk about the things that it really works for. If what is written on the can, okay, if it really works for what they say it worked for, okay. The Skin Doctor I'm going to talk about today is this one, because this is my favorite Skin Doctor toner. Skin Doctor toner have two types that I know of, okay, that I know of. It has the papaya, have this natural witch hazel toner. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this one that I have right here. Okay, it says immediate relief. Okay, it says immediate relief for irritated skin. Skin Doctor toner, natural witch hazel toner, and it says here that it sells for skin irritation, sunburn, minor burn, pimples, heat rashes, tones the skin and clear blemishes. Okay, and at the back is a whole lot of stuff are written here, which I'm not going to talk about. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about. I'm going to try to snap and put it on the screen for you to see. But I just want to talk about this toner and how good it is. So if you like it, you can buy and you can use it. Okay, so for skin irritation, this Skin Doctor doesn't really work for all types of skin irritation. Okay, if your skin is naturally irritated by anything that you're using natural way, okay, you can use Skin Doctor toner. It's going to help to some extent. It's going to help. I've seen some cases of some people that it did not help them. Okay, not all cases, but it really helps for some people. It's really good for some people, and it's not good for some people. And when you are irritated by a new product, you know, sometimes when you switch to a new product, okay, you're trying to add something to your skincare routine, a new product into your skincare routine, sometimes your skin might get irritated, especially your face might get irritated, and you might find that your face have a whole lot of nasty stuff on your face. So if you are having that kind of irritation, okay, on your face, and you want to use Skin Doctor toner, I'll advise you let your face rest for some time. Okay, you stop that product that is giving you that irritation. You let your face rest for some time before using your Skin Doctor toner. You just don't jump into using your Skin Doctor toner. It's not advisable for you to do that, because when you do that, for example, you're using your product, you're using the new product, and you find that it's giving you irritation, and you just find that then just of the product that you're using today, and you start using Skin Doctor toner on your face, trust me, love this, your irritation is going to go bad. It's going to be, in fact, it's just going to increase, it's going to triple. Okay, so what you want to do when you have that kind of irritation from a new product or something that you're adding to your skincare routine, what I would advise you to do is to let your face rest for at least 5 days, to a week before introducing Skin Doctor toner. Okay, when you let your face rest without using any products, just use a mild soap to wash your face. Don't use a harsh facial soap. Okay, don't use a whitening facial soap for that period. Just allow your face to rest, and then you use Skin Doctor toner. It's going to help you with that irritation. Okay, it's going to help you with that irritation. And for somebody, you can use this one or you can use the other one for irritation. Okay, and for sunburn and minor burn, yes, Skin Doctor toner helps with sunburn and minor burn, but there is a but to it. Okay, there is some kind of sunburn that Skin Doctor toner will not help you with. Trust me, lovers. So sunburn are very critical. If your sunburn is worse and it's in a very high state, okay, Skin Doctor toner is not going to help you. However, there are other toners that can help you, so I'm going to talk about also on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thank you. It helps with sunburn, but it does not help alone. So if you want to use skin doctor toner for sunburn, I will advise you use a lightening face cream. Light skin person, okay, light skin, I'm not talking about whitening here, okay, but light skin person, a little bit light, kind of like light skin person, and you're having sunburn, you can buy skin doctor toner in the market. Please make sure it's original, because this thing they have fakes in the market. So just make sure you get the original from any shop close to you. Get the original and get a lightening face cream and use both of them together. So what you're gonna do if you have sunburn and you want to use skin doctor toner, your lightening face cream should be used at night and your skin doctor toner should be used at night. Okay, even though it's written here that you should use it in the morning and night, like yes, even though it's written here that you should use it in the morning and night, I would not advise you to use it in the morning and in the night. What I would advise you to do is to use this at night with your lightening face cream, and in the morning apply aloe vera gel on your face. Okay, apply a nice aloe vera gel on your face. In case you're wondering what kind of aloe vera gel you should apply on your face, I'm going to put a pic on the screen for you to see the best one that is going to help with the sunburn. Okay, it really helps with sunburn. Okay, apply the aloe vera gel on your face in the morning when you are going out to the sun or you are going anywhere. You can apply it. That's if you don't have SPF at all. But if you have SPF and you're someone that does not sweat a lot like me, sweat a lot, so SPF does not stay on my face for the next 3 minutes. It's off because I'll just wipe it off because I sweat a lot. So if you're someone that does not sweat a lot, just apply aloe vera gel on your face before you go out. Then at night when you're back in the house, you use this and your lightening face cream. In like 2 weeks time, your sunburn will go off. But trust me, your sunburn is not going to go out at once like some other cleansers that work very fast. But yes, this will help with your sunburn and minor burns too, to help with your minor burns. And when it comes to pimples and heat rash, yes, it helps with heat rash, but I haven't really tried it on pimples, so I won't say pimples, because normally your face cream is supposed to help you with pimples. So I just feel this kind of clears your skin and prevents any pimples. But for rashes, those that are having prickly heat, that kind of prickly heat rashes, yes, it helps with rashes. Okay, for that it really helps. It helps with rashes. And the next one here, it says tones and clear the skin. Now this toning and clearing of the skin is the reason why I love this one more than the other one. Okay, this toning and clearing of the skin, this actually tones the skin a little, even though it's written natural. Okay, even though it's written natural, it actually tunes the skin a little bit. I'm not saying this is going to like bleach you, because some of you when you hear tune is like I won't bleach, I will fair, I will white. No, okay, this does not help with whitening, but it helps with tuning. And for this, using it on your face, I prefer this works better than the other one from what I've seen, what I've tried. Okay, your skin might be different from the people's skin that I've worked with. Okay, the other one might be working for you than this one, but this one right here is really working. It really works. Okay, it works faster. Okay, when you are someone that is into skincare, okay, and someone that is into skincare, someone asks you for recommendation and all that, okay, I think you should give the person this green one, like give me the person the other one, because this will help the person faster than the other one. But the other one help with lightening, as you're meant to understand, helps with lightening than this one. But this natural one, I prefer it to the one that really help with lightening. That's for me. That's what I like. That's what I prefer, and that's what I feel that is real good. I prefer this one to the other one. Okay, I prefer to the other one. So lovely, that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button and hit subscribe button to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next video, I always say remain blessed. Bye. So lovely, if you want to get any skincare products, hair care products, organic, pro-mixed ingredients, whatever, name it, I sell and deliver worldwide. Okay, I sell and deliver worldwide, and I also sell ebook. We also do training for those who want to go into skincare right from the scratch, organic, synthetic, pro-mixing, basics, everything. I do trainings also.